Guys, and today I'm going to be making Mariah Elizabeth sensory bottle. I know you can't see it much, but if I turned up the brightness, it wouldn't show. So, yeah, I have it up here so I can read it from there. So first you need a water bottle, glass or plastic. Like, you can make a bigger one. I'm not going to make a bigger one. I'm just going to use this small little bottle. It's just something that yes, I know I can open it from up there and everything. Just won't open it and that's it. So then you also need clear, thick liquid. So she says, like, hands up there in brackets. So yeah, I'll go find that. I could not find hand soap, so I got hand gel. It's actually hand sanitizer, but like, it says hand gel on that. And there's alcohol in it, but whatever. Now, all you need is warm water and then like whatever you want to put inside, like beads, gems, glitter, etc. So on and so on. So I'm actually going to start now. So I'm just looking through. I'm just looking through. So then you first you put a bit of like hand soap in. Yeah, hand gel. So I'm gonna put like, she has a generous amount, so just like a good bit. So I put it in about that much because I still need to put warm water in. And yes, I know I put it a good bit in, but I don't know if it's too liquidy or not. But it's like, I don't know. So now you just need to add some warm water. So I'm gonna do. No, it's way too liquidy, so I'm gonna go find something else. So I emptied it out, so well, most of it. And now I'm gonna try find something else. Oh, it smells like hand sanitizer. Okay, so I couldn't find any clear, so I found yellow. It looks much brighter and nicer in real life. And then couldn't find glitter, so I got this glitter. I found some more glitters eventually, so I'm gonna use that. Oh, it's spilling. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put this in there. Well, can't really see it. There. Okay, it looks cool and looks more thicker and everything. But I'm just going to mix it up with the hand sanitizer because there's a little bit at the bottom and it looks kind of weird. So I'm just going to mix it up a little bit. Close this. Well, it's supposed to be liquid anyways, so I'm going to go add water. And warm water, by the way. I'm back. And yeah, for you, I've never left. But like, yes. Okay, now let's go to the last one. The next step, and also my computer turned off. So now apparently we need to add whatever like we're putting in. So I'm gonna have another look for things for like beads or something because like it looks so cool there with beads. So I'm gonna try to find beads. Okay, I didn't find beads, but I'm gonna try put this in. And yeah, so I'm gonna try put this in. Wait, I know where beads are, but I'm also gonna try put this in. It's like the main character is like a unicorn. I don't know where I got it from. Okay, I found random little jewel kind of things. So, kick this unicorn out because we found a cute little rabbit dude and put him inside. And then we just found like little shiny beads like that. There's 4 of them. And then there's like this straight one, but like it's gonna count that in. Then there's this like jewel, can't really see, and 2 heart jewels. Oh, what? 2 heart jewels. You also can't really see. That's just glitter. And that. And then I also got some beads. So I'm gonna add in anyways. Only a few of them though. So I'm gonna add those things in. Let's start. It's still kind of warm, so boop. 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 That's a bit of glitter. And the character fit in. If he barely just fits in. I think we're just gonna add some glitter and that's it because there's like already a good few things in there. So yeah, so I'll add the glitter in because it's going to take long and very annoying. Yeah, we got a really, really, really big problem. I just spilled the glitter everywhere. Like, oh, that's my brother. Like, literally everywhere because there's actually already a hole in it. Oh my god, I got it everywhere. It's going to take ages. I'm trying to add some glitter in here. Into the top. It's not sinking down. Sink down. What else? Add some more. Because everybody likes glitter. Okay, that's enough. There's a lot in there. Now I'm going to start at the glitter mask and I'll be right back. I try to save as much as I can. And I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I don't know. But I'm just going to hoover up the rest. Yes, I moved you over. Don't mind the mess in my room. Okay, so, oh, my computer's turned off. So that's what it looks like. Now I'm going to try see, and if it's good, I'll show you guys, and I'll actually make light. Okay, so I got my flashlight. And that's what it looks like. It looks very yellow there, but it's okay. So it's down at the very bottom. All you can see is like glitter. Yeah, but like when I twist it did say if it goes too slow, add some water, but I have no room to add some water. So it's just going like this. I'm gonna shake it. If I shake it, it just mixes around. So it's actually pretty cool. Oh shoot, let me plug my thing. Yeah. So it's actually pretty cool. And I definitely recommend, and please tag her in this video, I would have definitely, if I could, I would have got a bigger bottle, actual clear hand soap. So I'm actually going to try to do this video again, but with actual hand soap and everything. So that's all for today. Bye, and see you next time.